Sinubukan ko talagang iwasan for the longest time because I really wanted to grow as an actor. I really wanted to study everything behind, sa likod ng kamera. Pahayag ni Paulo sa panayam sa kanya ni Luis Manzano para sa YouTube channel nito. Natanong ni Luis si Paulo kung paano ang naging proseso ng transition niya mula sa napakabigat na role bilang Victor Luwalhati sa Linlang patungo sa role as CEO Brandon ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. It wasn't easy. It took some time for me to adjust. I haven't done a rom-com in a while or something funny. So it took a lot of time, which I wish I had more to put a lot of effort. I'm thankful to people behind Secretary Kim because they were very supportive, to our director na sobrang supportive sa pag-guide sa akin doing rom-com again, and also Kim, paliwanag ng aktor.